This video shows me creating this 48 sheet origami sculpture. It's essentially a cube, but it's also an octahedral. As you can see, there's the triangle shapes, 8 of them. There's 48 sheets of paper in total and no adhesive. And you're gonna make 48 of these. So you start with a square piece, relatively easy. So yeah, fold that over and then tuck it in. And then you tuck both sides in. And tuck that one in. If you don't have square paper, there's a minute at the end of this video that shows you how to make your own. It's really easy. So 48 of these is what you're gonna do. So now that we have each section, we're gonna put it together. And so you're gonna have a top piece and then 4 sides and then one on the bottom. And it goes together the same way. It's the same principle where each triangle will slide into the slot. And you're gonna repeat this throughout the whole sphere. So there's 2 together to start, and this will be the 3rd. I may struggle with this a bit too. It's only 3-inch sheets. If you're doing it with 5 or 6 inch, it's much easier. So there's 3 of them in, and the next one's going to be on the side, and then the other side, and then the back. So there's the other side, and you can see it starting to come together. This is probably the hardest part for the way that I'm making it. Because like the first one, you only have 2 you're putting in, where this you have to continue to wrap it around. So you can see there's only 1 section left to put on. And to me, it is easier if you do that last one individually, which is why I only did 5 of the surfaces. So I have all 4 of those. And now I'll use 4 more to close it off. And once this last one's done, I'm definitely going to take a minute and reshape it with a little bit of pressure. Maybe pull some of them out and reinsert them so that they're in better. Because I could tell this one, for some reason, just was not cooperating. But that's the premise of the shape you're going to have, where it's a cube identical from all 6 surfaces and all 8 corners. So almost all origami that I'm doing will require square sheets to start with. Most people don't have origami paper on hand, so an easy substitute would be take basic printing paper or construction paper, anything that's a rectangle, and it only takes a second to scale it down. You need a hard surface, and that way you can really crease it so it'll tear easily. And it's only 2 folds. You just have to line it up well. And if it's not tearing easily, you can lick it with your tongue across there, across this crease, but I think this tears. And then for this computer paper, I would do it down 1 more time. So each piece you're using will give you 4 sheets to work with. And you would need 12 to make this. Or I think that one's about 140.